This Goode Realty property video is presented by Taylor Petway. Stop scrolling and check out this one-of-a-kind home in West Mobile. The master is on the main floor right off of the kitchen. A wet bar area was added between the half bath and laundry room, and it's in the perfect location for when you're entertaining guests. The 2 bedrooms upstairs are gigantic. They share a full bathroom, an office space, and each one has access to a beautiful covered porch. RV people, this part is for you. There's an automatic gate and a new concrete driveway that provides an easy access parking spot with electrical hookups for your home away from home. Call today to see this one in person. For more information, review the details below or contact Taylor Petway at 251-981-2929.